How to delete Google Ads account. So first what you want to do is just simply open up your Google Ads page or website. And if you want to completely delete your Google Ads account, you will need to delete your Gmail account that is associated with your Google Ads account. But if you want to like partially like delete it, or let's say disable it rather, what you can do is just simply click on navigation menu right here, or just simply click on admin, then go to account settings. And here you will see the option of account status. So just simply click on that and you will see an option to cancel your account. So to stop running ads, try pausing your campaigns, and if you cancel your account, your ads will stop running and you'll receive a final bill within 60 days. So if you don't want to delete your Gmail account, since the only way of deleting your Google Ads account is deleting your Gmail account associated with it. So if you don't want to do that, the only thing that you can do is to cancel your account, which is right here. So I'm gonna simply cancel my account, then simply click on cancel account. Then wait for it to load. Then as you can see, yeah, I've now canceled my account. And if you have second thoughts, you could just reactivate it right here. And that is basically it.